Yeah, so today I'm putting in a carburetor from 1985 Honda Magna v65 VF1100F. First, you gotta place the carburetor, kind of offer it up, let it sit comfortably, and start putting on your cables. First cable I'm gonna attach is the choke cable, which is the one at the top. Slide it in, slide it back. Hold on, back up 1 second. I think I want a better position on this. Let me move some more stuff out of the way because you need as much clearance as you can get. Alright, back up again. Let me find back the choke cable. Okay, these are the accelerators. Here it goes. Alright, move these out the way. Offer this back up. Comfortable spot. Move these out of the way. Put the choke cable in. Slide it back. And it's supposed to screw to the anchor right here. Okay. Make sure that it's as tight as you can get it, because that choke cable is very tense sometimes. On some vehicles it doesn't even want to pull. So if you don't tighten it up very good, it can slip out of place and you won't have a choking effect. You'll probably have to find some kind of way how to manually choke it. Then you have to attach your accelerator and decelerator cable. First, let me find out which is which. Okay, this is the one that pulls. This is the one that pushes. So let's see. That one goes back here. Okay, so this one goes on first. It's really difficult to attach this cable, so you gotta put it in place first before you actually put it in the other slot. So slide this one in the back, pull it around, and then you get the cable into the place. It's very tricky to put this one in. Give it some space. Okay, then you get it as tense as you can without moving the cable. Get it all the way back around. And then you tighten it into place. Probably gonna need some pliers for this job. I'll let that hold it for now and attach the other cable, which is supposed to help with the deceleration. Alright, but like Like I said before, you slide it into place, slide it back. This one doesn't have a second screw, so I'm gonna have to fight it into place, kinda, which I always have to do. There you go. Because it's so slotted in place, it's a little difficult to get it in there, but this cable doesn't need a lot of tension. Okay, and you'll get your carburetor slid into place, and here's where the hard work begins. Normally I try to get this part down. I need a little bit of oil to put around these plastic rings. Grab some oil. Just put a little oil in the rings like so. Just around the top of them. Make sure you get it all around the whole ring. On both sides. That's so that you have lubrication. That way your carburetor will slide easier into place without breaking that rubber ring. So much crap in this glass. Alright. Now that I've lubricated it, I'm going to do my best to try and slide it into position. If all four would just go into place that easy. Now I go get the crowbar. I forgot to mention that you've got a lot of stuff to move out of the way and fooling with these carburetors. As you can tell, my radiator's not on. Cooling fan, all that extra stuff. That's usually right up front right there. Okay. Now that I've gotten the two bottom ones in place, I try to use a screwdriver. Come on, that's a little bit to basically prep the rubber and incoming of the other side. Okay, now that I got the lip over, I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. Always try to be as gentle as you can with that rubber piece, or you can split it like I did this one the last time I fucked with it. Okay. Okay. Time for some crowbar action. Pass me that crowbar. It's behind you on top of that generator. Thank you. Always be gentle too, because that could happen. The other side pops out. Give me a little room over there. Kind of hold the other side down so it doesn't pop out. I gotta re-prep this side to be ready for it. And then again with this bar. Come on, just a little bit more. Go. See that Phillips screwdriver? There it is on the ground. Now you gotta tighten them as best you can into place. Oh shit, no wonder it was going in that easy. This ring jumped out of place on this side. This is the tedious part of this job. Ease your foot off, right? Try to put it back down in it again. Okay. I think they're all in place now. We'll come around and inspect. Yep. All the sleeves are in place. Carburetor's nice and in there. All I need to do now is tighten all 4 of these. I'm gonna put some seal all here so this doesn't leak. Yeah. Yep. Feels good. Just needs a little more lube. But it's in place. Only thing left to do now is finish running my fuel lines. Put in the air box back on top, and I'm good. Thank you for watching.
Feel like it's a bike.